All right, so I'm over here by my Swiss yard again. And let me tell you about this plant. This is a beet. I'm gonna get her up though, but not today. But I want some of these leaves. So I'm gonna go in the house and I'm gonna cook a meal. One is good. One leaf is good because they are really big. Make sure. Make sure. Ain't nothing living in here, right? But they are really big leaves. It's my hand, and there's more of her left. But anyway, we're gonna take some of this, and I'm gonna use some of this starch too. But let's go inside and cook some spaghetti squash. Now, I have onions, I have garlic, I have parsley. Well, I need to go get a piece of parsley. Right? I need to do that. What else I need? That's it. I have everything else inside. Oh, I know what I need. Let me set that down for a minute. This is my 4-year-old lemon thyme. She been here, but I just need a little piece of her, not a lot. Let me see, can I get it, y'all? All right, that's a lot, but I'm gonna bring it in. Lemon thyme. Oh, smell, delicious. And some curly parsley. Let's get a piece of this. Maybe 2 pieces. Well, we'll take this one. All right. Cool. Okay, family. I'm over here by the biggest brown turkey fig tree I have in my garden. And this is the one that I received my 2 AIRLAY from. So I just want to give you all a heads up, right? Listen, please hear me well when I say this, okay? Because I don't want nobody to say, oh, Miss Linda don't want me to be great. Baby, you could be whatever you want to be, okay? I'm just trying to save you some time and just drop a little knowledge on you. Now, let me say this. Years ago, when I first came on YouTube, I did not know how to AIRLAY, okay? Lead Farmer 73 shared a video, and he said this. He said, I learned how to AIRLAY from Grow Family Network. But what Lead did, he tweaked, he tweaked the method to fit him. But the original idea came from King at Grow Family Network, okay? When Led put the video out, I learned from Led doing the chili dog method, and that's how I learned how to AIRLAY. Now, this is what was told to me as I was learning how to AIRLAY. Now, I see a lot of people AIRLAYing now that have never AIRLAYed before, and never say where they learned their method from. You know, they just been AIRLAYing. But listen, that's your thing. So this is one of the things that Led has shared with me. Also, my nephew Turf also did some AIRLAYing from Led. Okay, so let me just say this. When you're AIRLAYing, family, you must AIRLAY from a branch on your tree that is wood. That is wood. Now, this, say like this right here. Oh, wait, let me knock this leaf off. Well, get down, baby. Like this is not wood, this is stem. What you want to do with that is take a cutting, baby. Take a cutting. You don't want to AIRLAY from a piece of your tree that is not wood. It needs to be wood. Like this. Wood. If it's not wood, you want to do a cutting, but AIRLAY from wood. Okay? Now, listen, if you choose to tip, that's fine. But what I say to you, just do your own research. Do your own research and find out. Is that true? Is that true? Find out. Cool. All right, baby. I am doing another walkthrough this morning, and this is my other artichoke. It seems like they're having their problems, but that's okay. I'm going to take care of them today. So I wanted to share this with you. So I'm going to take these 2 leaves off of this artichoke, but I want to share what's going on with it. So the brown part you see is from it being in the ground. The other part, when you see your leaves is fading, and mostly it starts from the tip to the back. Most of the yellowing is from the tip to the back, and you see it's like fading. See, this it's been on the ground. So all of that brown you see is from it's just laying in the soil. But that stay focused, family. The yellowing part. And this, when you see your leaves look like this, that means it needs nitrogen. It needs nitrogen. So, of course, I'm going to mix up a little container of super juice and 511 for this baby. Looks like something been eaten on it too. But I didn't find anything in the soil, but I'm going to keep my eye on them. Yeah. But I'm going to mix up some super juice and 511, or just some 511 in water. It doesn't matter, but 511 got to be in there. And she's going to be fine. She's going to be fine. Give her some nitrogen. All right, y'all. So this is some 511 and super juice for this baby. I just mixed it up in one of my, if I could pick it up, y'all. This is my bad risk. But we're going to get it to her. There you go, little mama. There you go, baby. I'm going to give him this one over here some, since it's been traumatized. Yeah. So everything else is doing really good. So cool. I'm gonna give this little bit to this tree right here. Just give her something. Yeah, she's working hard for me. Yeah, baby. All right, let me give it, and I'll be back. So this is another melon that I received. If I'm not mistaken, I received this from Martha Henry, I think. I have never grown this melon. It is an Amish melon. Yeah, so it's from Seed Saviors Exchange. So I'm going to drop it. So I just dropped a couple of seeds. Put that there. Go and drop that there. And here. I just set about 4 seeds out, and I'm just pressing them in. That's all. That's it. All right, so there they are. Now I'm gonna give them more water. So I'm dropping the last of this milkweed in this grow bag. Oh, girl. Jada snuck up behind me. Hey, Jada.
Hey.
How was school, baby?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Wait a minute.
How was your day?
Good. Wait a minute. All right, y'all. Jada going home now. Yeah, she said, well, her mama did her hair yesterday, and it looked so cute, but she said she's so tired, she just didn't want to get in front of the camera. So y'all know how they go. But anyway, the milkweed That's this one. It is dropped. Yeah. More milkweed. So this is my bucket of beans right here. And I have bush beans and pole beans in here, and they are really doing good. I got beans, and I caught my grandkids eating a little bitty baby bean. They were eating the baby beans, y'all. So there's bush beans and pole beans in here, but they all are doing good. Now, if the kids could just let them grow, look, they missed those. So I wanted to bring y'all with me through the cooking process, but yeah, I had folks. So this is my spaghetti squash with shrimp. Shrimp. God damn. It's so good. It's sweet. Sweet, sweet. Oh my, I love it. I love it, y'all. Let me get another one. Ooh, hot. Later, y'all. I gotta go.